Alright, hey friends, so this is not my typical video, but we are about to paint our fireplace white. And I will tell you, I used to see people do house remodels and paint stuff white, and I was just like, no, it's terrible. But we just need a change. So we're going to do white. If we hate it, then we're probably going to like cover it in stone or something, which is really expensive. So what we have done first is wash the whole fireplace. We used a nice scrubby, and oh yeah, lots of rinsing, very, very dirty with soot. This is probably a 60-year-old house, probably never been scrubbed. So it's looking really clean, and I bought a primer for masonry, a masonry primer. So we're gonna put that on first and see how that goes. Alright, so I'm just about finished with the primer. Wow, it's really bright. I did want to share a couple things about what to watch out for. You want to watch out for these drips. Let me get a little closer. So right here, you don't want this to be all drippy, because that's where your clean, look is going to come from. So I'm just going back through. I'm trying to edge out the best I can too, because I did not buy painter's tape, but I have a wet t-shirt nearby if I get it on the mantle. And so I'm just coming down here. You can see all of this needs it. Alright, so this is where we got to. It is very strong smelling, so we're going to go outside, clean the brushes, and then stay out of this room for a little while. So I will catch you tomorrow when we do the final coat of white.